Hey there, folks. Here's your cyber quick tip for the day. Cybersecurity is everyone's responsibility. If you think about this, a cyber attack doesn't just disrupt one person, one computer, one department. A cyber attack will most likely disrupt all the departments in your organization. So it's everyone's responsibility to follow best practices. Cybersecurity is just too large and it's too costly for your IT department to handle alone. Therefore, cybersecurity needs to be a company-wide investment. Your executive leadership has to guide strategy and help the organization adopt a company-wide security system. If you're looking for advice and expertise in cybersecurity, give us a call today at RAM Communications. We are here to help.